Hello everyone. So today in one of my Discord channels, someone shared a screen capture, I think it was, of a Twitter feed, and it brought up a really interesting point, and that is how you label something or approach something can make a huge difference in how people feel. So the idea behind the post was if you ask someone if they're taking their medicines, it can seem condescending and a struggle and things like that. If you tell someone that their medicines are actually a potion that will help them achieve their quests, and maybe even label the quests as something amazing, it can make a huge difference. And all of a sudden, especially for someone who is into wizarding or D&D or things like that, it can become fun to take it and kind of exciting, things like that. And you can do the same thing for yourself too as you look at things. How you look at it, if it's a trial to have to remember to take your medicine every day, you're less likely to do it than if you remember all that your medicines do for you and how you feel if you don't take your medicines. If you remember that, then it becomes I'm happy when I take my medicines because I can do so much more, or I feel better, or things like that. The same is true with, we all know this subconsciously. How many of us who are parents have done the airplane to get your little kids to eat, or a train or something like that? Open up here comes the airplane, open up the hangar or the tunnel for the train or things like that. And having kids mop the floor as an ice skating rink or different things like that. We've all done it. We all know that play can make a horrible task fun. But we forget that. And really, even an adult is still affected by the very same thing. And so we need to take that into consideration and start thinking about what things will motivate us or our children or those we care about, things like that, to make the changes that will be beneficial for their lives. Whether it's taking their meds every day, whether it's exercising every day, whether it's an appropriate diet, going to the doctor, blood tests, the works. If you can make it fun, it can take out a lot of the negative and the pain. And along the same lines, it comes up the fact that at times when you're struggling to be strong, and you've been going for a long time at being strong, telling someone, oh, you're so strong, you're the only one who could deal with this, it drags you down if you're constantly hearing that. Because everyone needs a break. And constantly being told that you're doing more than other people, and it's because you can, eventually actually makes it harder for you to do more. However, changing the way you look at it and finding ways to get a break, even mentally, can be huge in doing so. And that giving help to other people, letting them have a short period of time they don't have to struggle with their illness, can actually give them enough strength to keep going and keep fighting. I hope that helps, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.